There. Save that. And this is what would happen if we did not have this variable here. Let's just see what we got here. Oh, one or too many of these. Alright, now let's go. So once it eventually hits the pad, it will go in a random direction. It's not perfect right now. For some reason, it is going weird direction. Alright, so if we take a pad, then we're going direction, up, da. And just comment that out. Now this should fix that. And see, this is the effect if we comment that line out at the top. Because now it's commented out, we're not going anywhere. Now that we have it back, setting for that. We also have to test for this. So follow the direction that goes down, then follow x equals follow x plus 10. Now it will have an effect on the program. Change those to y. Okay, so now we're going down. Right there now. Once it hits, it chooses up, up left, or up right. Let's run it again so I can prove that it's working. Let's just hope it doesn't choose 2 again. See? As you can see, it is going randomly up left, up right, or up. Yeah, that's all I wanted to accomplish in this tutorial. It's supposed to be relatively short, and in the next tutorial we'll be going over. Let's go over the boundaries around the program. So like right here, right there, and right there. Okay. Alright, so I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and this is EOSBreaker Productions. Don't forget to visit the website and download our other programs. Goodbye. Just basic EOS or end of series game tutorial, and this is for for our breakout clone breaker. This is EOSBreaker Productions, and don't forget to check out our website. Alright, so now how are we going to accomplish collision detection for sides of the entire screen? Alright, so basically we have our window right here, and we have a little ball. Don't want our ball to get over there. We don't want it over here and we already know what to do if it's over there, and we don't know where it is. Alright, so what if this happens? We already know what that does. Alright, so let's start with this. So if it's over here, we want ball there to equal down or any other direction. So basically we don't want it to, we want it not equal to up or up left or up right. So basically nothing in the up series. Now if we're over here, that means that we're less than the ball, the window's width. So the ball direction needs to change. So it can't be up left or left. It can be any of the other things. Alright. If we're over here, we're going to do the opposite over here. So it can be anything besides right. And finally, if we're on this over here, you know, go sub and yeah. So let's do this. We already accomplished we already accomplished this right here. Next I'm going to do, I'll do this one. This one is the next part of it. Alright. So, first things first, collision detection. We'll do this in collision detection area called 8 fits. So if ball X is greater, alright, so we are over here. So if ball Y is less than window height, so if it's less than 0, then we need to get a random value for it. So I'm just going to copy and paste this to save time. Alright, so it can be any value besides the 3 up values. So basically it's anything besides these 2 right here. So that means we have, so it's 8 minus 3, 5. We have 5 values it can possibly be. So if it's that one, then we're going to go down and then, so if it's left, if it's number 2, then you're going to go down. Alright, so the first one's going to be down left, second one's going to be down, and last one's going to be down right. And see the other directions. So we got boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that's it. Right. Yeah, there's actually only 6 directions. Alright, let's just try this. If save it's gonna take a little while, but we'll get there. doesn't end up over there, because then we have to do state for that. Alright, so let's, and we change direction. Now the game started to come together. Alright, so we finished the state for that. Next, we're going to do this area right here. So, if ball X is greater than the window width, then we're going to do this. So that means if it's greater than the window width, it can be only going left. But we will also only want to go down, because that's the direction we're going. So it's only going down, and we have to go left. The only thing we can do is down left. So yeah, let's do that. So we don't even need this. Well, rear equals down left. And in this case, we might just reposition it. Save and run. Now we need some luck. I hope it goes upright. Or I could just change the values. Let's just hope it goes that way. Nope. Just change it to down right. It's a pretty cool way to do things. Down right hasn't been programmed yet. So let's just do this right now. Okay. Equals down. Then so if we're going down, right? The ball X equals ball X plus 10, and ball Y equals ball Y plus 10. Wait a minute. Upright should be doing minus. So that means we're moving. No, that's good. Alright, so it actually should be, if we're going down, we're adding. And yeah. So we should be subtracting from here. And if we're going up, that means we're getting closer to the top. Yeah, so for upright, it should be ball X plus 10 and ball Y minus 10. And now if we're going down right, it should be ball X plus 10 and ball Y plus 10. And finally, last state is ball up, no, ball down up. Excuse me, ball down left. So, okay. I'm going to just reorganize these ideas. And if we're going down left, ball X equals ball X minus 10. And ball Y equals ball Y plus 10. Yep, we're all set. I'm just going to move these around.